Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative and I am here with a basically Gemini haul from Tuesday morning. Just jump right in and show you the stuff that was non-dyes. They did have this boat bunny. I got the other bird set with the different birds on it in another video. But I got this one. I love the musical notes and the birds, and it says a little note, and I think the other one says hello. Yep, hello. So I just thought it was cute, nice sized bird. I thought this would be cute for making memory decks or index cards. Like a scripture one with that one. That's one. I love these for background, just, you know, when you want to add some dimension. I gotta double check to make sure I don't have this one. That part doesn't look familiar. The other ones do. I can't remember. I know it was the seed one that came out before, so this may be the same one. If so, to go back. And I know I have picked this one up before, but these are such a good price, $1.50, and just, you know, have these words: happiness, love, hope, laugh, live, believe, inspire, dream, and imagine. Great to add on any to your, you know, your projects. Plus a dimension. Excuse me. Then I picked up some dies. These are Gemini Crafter's Companion. I have the live and the love, I think. Gotta double check I don't have the hope. I'm pretty sure I don't have the hope. Oh, sorry. And this one, so it comes with the die and with the stem. This was $3.29, so it's a good price. It says hope, and then you got your stamps. So you have 2 stamps, and it says faith and love and dreams. So yeah, so nice, and a nice size hope, and you can cut this into a card. Then I picked up this one, which is the one of the Elements fancy shoes. So it has a shoe on both of these, and you can make it like a belly band around it, which I thought was pretty cool. And I can use that to decorate a box, a card, you know, something like that. So yep, so any kind of gatefold card, and this may be anything else. So that's the 2 shoes, and you interlock them. That was $4.99. This accompanies the box die, which I did get right here. That die set right there for Tuesday morning. It's a stamp set to go along with it. A couple stamp sets, and there's several of them. So look at them. There's different designs. This one is a trellis. They have a henna. They have a it's maybe like 4 different ones I think I've seen in the last couple of days that you can use to make some dimensions. Some layering. Now these dies, especially this one, doesn't have to go only with those inner ones in here, but you could do different stuff like that. Maybe on a card or card front panel, but of course it's designed to go with the box, but it doesn't have to be limited to that. So and that is what the box looks like. It's the multi-side sides to that box, and that box can be different heights, but you can decorate it with those different little pieces. And this is a 5-piece set for $5. Now this Parisian set, I think I already have her. I know I have a scene, but I don't think I got this scene. I think I got the other scene set, because I don't remember having an Eiffel Tower and remember wanting it, but I have I'm trying to remember what mine. I know mine had grass, and this looks more like trees kind of than the one that I have. And I know I have the park bench one and the poodle. I know I have those. I have that set right there. Not sure about the girl, but this set looks different than the one I have. But anyway, I picked it up. I'm gonna check my stash. If these 2 are duplicates, of course they go back. But this is the Bon Voyage. That name sounds familiar. That's what makes me think I have that one. I think I remember typing the label. And this one is Scenic France, and they're both $4.99. And this is a 5-piece set, and you can see the sizes of that one on the back. Great for layering, dimensional cards, making a scene. Then I got a whole bunch of the word dies. Now, the price is kind of funny, because they actually, for the month of March, even though when I'm making this video, it's still February. By the time the video's up, it will be in March. Because I'm behind on my videos getting them up. But anyway, this one is $2.99, so they actually go down, which is good. They were $3.99 the month before, but this is Special Friend. I've got another one that says a different sentiment on it. I think it's Best Wishes or whatever, and I paid $3.99. But it's the two pieces, the word and then the shadow. And so I went on and got all the words. I'm like, my hands are all off screen, sorry. That one says Smile for $2.99. It's nighttime, sorry about the lighting. Friends. I went on and got all of them because I did like the font, like Relax. You know, you don't really see that word. And these are nice size. You can see how big that is in relation to my hand. Adventure. And they had some other bigger ones. Enjoy. Cherish. Love. And dreams. I just like the word collection. That was really nice to use. You can use those words. I like the font and the graphics. So, but they had tons of different styles of Crafter's Companion. They had the Vintage Sewing Kit, the stamps. I already had the stamps. I already have a different sewing kit, which was very similar to the same one they had, so I didn't get the extra one. But they are out if you're looking for those. Again, by the time this video up, it'll be in March, but this is in February. But anyway, so just want to share with you what they had, and so you can be on the lookout for them. It's always best to follow me on DaretoBeCreative1 Instagram so you can see the stuff sooner. Alright, so thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.